Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 29th, and this is my analysis on the pound US dollar. Starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I definitely am still looking at this as a wave A. I still think this is one big three-wave pattern to the downside for an ABC of wave B, and I still think this is going to end up going up for a wave C, and I think it's an expanding flat wave C, which should make a higher high wave C and a lower low wave B. So for now, definitely still looking at this as an uptrend. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this right here is a uptrend for wave 1. I think this is a WXY right here, like wave 2. I think we're already in that wave 3, and I believe it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up on these high time frames in this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. We definitely do have a break of structure to the downside. So I am definitely looking for shorts on sort of time frames. I would expect this move down right here to be a crescent to this move up. I would expect to see a Fibonacci bounce at one of these levels. Maybe end up looking something like this. And we do have interest rate news coming out later on this week on Wednesday. And I will be live streaming on YouTube for that interest rate news, so definitely make sure you check that out. But the US dollar interest rate news coming out in a couple of days, the US dollar pairs are likely to be pretty slow prior to that news event, waiting for that. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, this move up right here to me still looks very corrective, especially relevant to the move down. I wouldn't be surprised if the pairs did kind of make very overlapping slow patterns until Wednesday. But I definitely do think that we should be looking for shorts. I think we should go down to one of these two Fibonacci levels prior to the news on Wednesday. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this whole thing looks very overlapping. I mean, to me, it even looks like there's already a wave A in here. Looks like we could have already had a wave B. I kind of looks like already an ABC correction, and then it might just keep on trending down from here. Based on my higher daily time frames, I am definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend right now on these sort of time frames based on those daily time frames. And like I said, with the fact that we got interest rate news coming out in a couple of days, I wouldn't be surprised if the market was a little bit on the slow side, a little bit sideways, maybe more likely it's going to end up doing something like this before it actually really does end up continuing the downtrend. The market is definitely going to be waiting for the news on Wednesday, which I definitely will be live streaming for the interest rate news that's coming out on Wednesday. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.